We will show you this fully furnished, brand new model unit dito sa townhouse project here in Santa Mesa Heights, Quezon City, very near to Banawe. But first, make sure you click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. Itong simula natin, kakaiba kasi nandito tayo sa second floor or itong inyong living, dining, and kitchen area. So, baba tayo doon. Kaya tayo nandito kasi medyo magulo doon sa labas because currently, we have 20 units in this townhouse project and in pre-selling condition. So, ngayon, we have itong ready for occupancy which is also our model unit. So, baba muna tayo sa ibaba which is yung common area para makita nyo yung current status ng ating project. Then, akit tayo ulit. Tara! Dito na tayo sa ground level and yung main door ninyo. Paglabas natin, we have itong inyong 2 to 3 vehicle carport. We are also covered by a canopy coming from your second level. And dito yung inyong common area which is also the driveway nitong inyong townhouse project. What we love in this space, we have around 8 to 10 meters kaya napakaluwag. So kahit magkasalubungin dalawang sasakyan, kasyang-kasya. We also have the main gate para dito sa inyong project or dito sa inyong townhouse community. The advantage is na i-screen ng guard yung visitors ninyo or if you have any deliveries. And of course, the result is you have your additional security in that area. At hindi lang yan, we also have itong inyong amenity. So if you have kids or visitors, you can also entertain them dito sa inyong amenity area while, of course, mini-maintain yung privacy ng inyong bahay. Currently, we have 8 units left in this property, so 12 na yung nabenta out of 20. For the flooring dito sa inyong 3 vehicle carport, we have granito tiles, rough textured para non-skid sa mga sasakyan ninyo. We also have itong inyong 3rd vehicle carport area with landscape or rockscape dun sa dulo. And you can also utilize that space para sa inyong laundry. And we also have this door pwedeng gamitin as for the staff or gamitin as your storage area. Okay, so we have your porch, we have your elevated or floating steps. Ito naman yung inyong main door. For our main door, we have solid wood door with modern door lock. Pasok tayo. Emma, come through. So upon entering dito sa inyong main door, so we have itong stairs going up. So we have the common area or the living, dining, and kitchen area doon sa second level to maximize the floor space. Before we go up, we have your modern switch. The advantage is pwede nyo kontrolin yung lighting dito sa loob ng bahay kahit wala kayo. So if kunyari man may nakalimutan kayong patayin, pwede nyo kontrolin through your mobile phone app or kapag gusto nyo, pagdating nyo palang maliwanag na yung bahay, pwede rin. For our stairs, we have solid wood stairs. Ganon din with our handrails. And mapapansin nyo, we have itong mezzanine floor. For this mezzanine floor, nandito naman yung staff room ninyo. Okay, so we have this door. Medyo mababa lang yung ceiling. For the flooring, we have rough texture. Parang ang ginamit nila dito is vinyl. So, pwedeng gamitin ito ng mga staff ninyo. Medyo mataas na rin yung ceiling dito, naka-covered ceiling design. Ito yung kanilang toilet and bath. And of course, they also have their window para sa proper ventilation. Akyat tayo dito sa inyong second level. Upon reaching here, dito sa second level, we have our open layout design. We have your fully furnished model unit. And by the way, these are not included to the selling price, pero you have an option na bilhin itong furnitures and appliances that is included dito sa inyong model unit. And by the way, before we start, mapapansin nyo rin upon going here for viewing, makikita nyo na meron silang mga nakamark na for model unit only. Ibig sabihin yan, these are not included doon sa loob ng mga deliverable unit. Ibig sabihin, makikita nyo yung actual finish ng property na bibili ninyo. Okay, so in this space, we have itong inyong living area, and currently we have this rug. Of course, additional texture to the space, your couch, at least you have an idea kung ano yung magiging itsura ng inyong unit. No? We already have your split type AC, and of course, itong inyong pipe-in speakers para sa inyong prefer na music. We have this space. Ganon din dito, we have your accent chair. And itong inyong floor-to-ceiling window. The advantage is pwede nyo lagyan ng elevator itong unit ninyo. So we have that provision. By the way, for our windows and sliding doors, these are aluminum with tempered glass. We have your drop ceiling design in this space, and ito naman yung inyong dining area. And currently, we have this 8-seater dining table. Your hanging chandelier and cove ceiling design. And this space naman, ito naman yung inyong powder room. For the powder room, we have floor-to-ceiling tiled wall, napakalinis tignan. Your Kota brand for the water closet and your lavatory. Huge vanity mirror. Ang ganda ng space. Adjacent naman dito sa inyong dining, of course, para mas madali mag-serve sa mga guests ninyo or family, we have this space for the kitchen area. Lots of counter space for your food preparation. We have itong inyong quartz para sa inyong counter, ganon din with our backsplash. We also have these cabinets. Of course, these are modular with soft close hinges and soft close drawers. Base and hanging cabinets, lots of storage space. Ito naman yung location ng inyong nagiging refrigerator, 2 or 4 the refrigerator. Kasyang-kasya in this space. Okay, so we have your additional counter, ganun din dito sa area na ito with under-mounted sink. So ito naman yung space ninyo para sa inyong electric cook hub or in this area. Ayan dito. We have the provision para sa inyong range hood. Okay, for our cabinets, we have this glass finish with aluminum grab handle with soft close hinges. Kaya napakadaling gamitin. Lots of storage space. Ganon din with our base cabinets. Even hanggang sa top area, nandun meron pa rin kayong storage space. Of course, you have your pipe-in music para mas masarap kumilos na if you have your music background. And ito yung additional shelves, your drawers para sa inyong lavatory or sa inyong mga utensils. And of course, ito naman yung space ninyo. Pwede nyong paglagyan nung kunyari man magkaroon ng option for a dirty kitchen or auxiliary kitchen, or pwede nyo rin gamitin primarily para sa inyong laundry. So you have your privacy area. Very private itong area na to because of your itong perimeter. So kunyari man nandito yung mga sinampay nyo, okay na okay, mahangin din. And we also have itong inyong fire exit coming from the top floor. Okay, balik tayo sa loob. By the way, for our flooring, we have porcelain tiles, high gloss finish with marble grain design. We also have your AC split type already installed, and by the way, we have this accent wall. Napakagandang tingnan, ano? At least you have an idea kung ano yung pwede nyo ilagay doon sa inyong unit. And for our stairs, parehas pa rin ng ating materials. We have your solid wood stairs. Ganon din with our handrails and metal balustrades. Akyat tayo. Dito sa second level, for the common area, we have laminated wood flooring. And by the way, we have 2 bedrooms in this floor with ensuite toilet and bath. Ito yung inyong bedroom. Sorry, medyo mahirap akong lumingon because may stiff neck ako ngayon. Okay, so we have itong inyong single bed na nakalagay dito. So at least you have an idea kung ano yung space. Pero we have different kind of unit kaya pwede nyo pang ayusin. Lalo sa mga pre-selling, depending on your needs, of course. Your floor-to-ceiling window, lots of natural light. You have your cabinet. Yan, kasama na yung mga cabinets natin. Of course, your ensuite toilet and bath. The shower space, kulang na lang yung inyong enclosure. Again, Koto brand for our water closet and your lavatory. We also have the provision para sa inyong window type aircon. Okay, so punta tayo dito sa bedroom 2, which is also your master bedroom. For the master bedroom, mapapansin niyo yung flooring, napakaganda, no? We have your narrow wood parquet flooring. Ganyan din sa mga deliverable unit or yung unit na mabibili ninyo. You have your king size bed and itong nakalagay na headboard and may nakalagay na 4 model unit only. At least you have an idea kung paano nyo pagagandahin. Ganda rin ng ceiling na nilagay nila. For the space, we have itong inyong floor to ceiling window, allows lots of natural light. The area for your console table or vanity area. The space for your AC. Napakaluwag pa, no? Pwede kayong maglagay ng anteroom ninyo or yung waiting area. And by the way, before we enter, we have your walk-in closet. Ito, 4 model unit lang itong nilagay nila na enclosure. Pero, well, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo i-request. Pero sa mga unit na binibenta nila, walang kasamang ganito. Upon request lang yung ganitong enclosure. We have your floor-to-ceiling cabinets. Lots of storage space for the husband and wife. We have your soft close hinges and aluminum grab handle. Ganon din in this area. So ito naman, pwede nyo gamitin as your linen area. Your master toilet and bath. Basin type for our lavatory, spacious counter, again quartz finish with marble green design, huge water closet, Koto brand, and itong inyong shower space with provision for a multi-point heater. And again, we have your transom window para lots of natural light, pero pwede nyo naman lagyan niya ng frosted sticker para for the privacy, no? Okay, so akyat tayo dun sa itaas. We have these awning windows in this area, allows natural light, a chandelier, ganda, no? Okay, so upon reaching here dito sa inyong 4th level, we have your 2 rooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. So total of 4 bedrooms and a staff room. Okay, before we start dito sa inyong bedroom 3, we have your floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your, alam niyo na, mga linens or anything. We have your bedroom 3. Again, floor-to-ceiling cabinet. These are included to the selling price. You have your queen-size bed, your window, location of your window type AC. For the flooring, mapapansin nyo, nag-iba yung flooring natin from narrow wood parquet doon sa inyong master. We have itong laminated flooring, grayscale finish with wood grain design. Ito yung inyong ensuite toilet and bath for the bedroom 3. Your lavatory, provision for multi-point heater, your water closet, and the shower space. Sa lahat ng toilet and bath natin or bathroom, lahat yan meron silang exhaust fan. Kapag wala kayo nakikitang transom window, meron silang ganun. So ito yung inyong last bedroom. Parang small version ito nung inyong master bedroom dun sa 3rd floor. So, pwede natin itong tawagin as your junior master suite. Your king size bed, your AC, your cabinet. At least, alam nyo kung paano nyo i-layout yung inyong, inyong magiging unit. We have this window facing dito sa harapan ng property with handrails. Tingnan natin kung may kasamang door or access door going to the balcony. So, ito yung inyong bedroom 4. Laki din ng size niya, no? We have your walk-in closet, floor to ceiling, your lavatory, provision for multi-point heater, your water closet, and the shower space. Okay, so we don't have any access dun sa inyong balcony dun sa labas. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new townhouse project located here in Santa Mesa Heights, Quezon City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website. Again, my name is Dean of Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.